How to change Instagram chat color. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram chat color. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first step that we're going to do is to check if our Instagram is up to date. So to do that, just open up your app store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. And let's see if it says open or update from here. If it says open like on this page, that means that your Instagram is currently updated and you're good to go. However, if it says update, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated, and just click on the update button so that you will be updating your app and have the feature of being able to change the chat color within your conversations in Instagram. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is updated, just go ahead and open up Instagram right here, and you should be at your home page. If you're from your profile page or from any other page, just click on this home icon at the bottom left corner so that you will be here. And from here, you should see the messenger icon at the top right corner, so just click on that. And then you should see the list of conversations you have from here. So just open up the conversation that you want to change the chat color to. So from here, for example, I want to change the chat color in this conversation. Just click on the name of that person you have a conversation with, or the group chat name if you want to change the chat color of a group chat. So just click on that, and it should open up many settings on this page, or many details. So from here, you should see the theme option under the chat settings. So and in line with that, you should see the current theme that is currently equipped to your chat. So just click on that, and you have many themes to choose from. You can either just choose from these colors and gradients at the bottom part of the list, or there are also specific themes that you can incorporate to your chats. For example, I'm gonna choose Stranger Things, and when we go back, that changes the chat color to red, and there's also a specific a background. So you can just choose from those themes, and that is how you can basically change Instagram chat color. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.